Okay, Ryan, what are we drawing today?
A Pikmin around.
Pikmin coming out of the ground. Okay. Purple one. First we fold it just like this.
And then you put it up like here.
Okay.
Flip it up. And then you flip it over and then you do the same thing.
Okay, so we fold it over,
Like
flip
that,
like that.
and then
Good.
that, and then you flip it over.
Okay.
And then
Like this. And also, if you hear a crying baby, it's because of what?
DJ.
You know, JJ's crying right now. So that's your little baby brother, right? Okay. So what are we gonna do first?
Draw We're gonna draw the Pikmin's.
Just his head?
No, his leaf.
His leaf?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna just draw.
His leaf in the ground.
Pikmin have a little stem with a leaf coming straight off. So you just draw two lines like this.
The big circle with the point up.
Yep. Okay. And then a
Then you
little
make
leaf.
lines in it like that.
Okay.
Like that. See?
Okay.
And then you draw.
So we'll do it just like that.
So like here is
Okay, so we'll do ground. Okay. So a piece of grass.
you don't have to just draw like the same Pikmin. You could draw whatever Pikmin.
Okay.
So like you can they're supposed to put the Pikmin so makes the head like that.
Okay, so we'll open it up. We draw a head right here. Okay. What kind of Pikmin are you doing? The purple one?
And then you make one big circle and then you color in one big like eye. And then you draw like three little things coming out of it. Like three
Okay, three little bumps coming
right
out.
here. So,
1, 2, 3.
yeah, then when you make your body, it's gonna be like a little one right there. And then you're going to make another like little curve kind of each side. And then you're gonna make 3 fingers that are pushing on each side. And then you make like a little line on each side.
Mm-hmm.
Then you make all the way down here and then make a little bucket.
What about his feet?
Yeah. Then his feet, just do 2 little.
He's a big Pikmin, right?
Yeah. So you make 2 little lines on each side.
Okay.
And then make 3 toes.
3 toes.
And then we're done.
Great.
Then the most important thing to do is just draw the first.
Perfect. Okay, so what colors do we need? Purple, right? Purple and green maybe, and
Wait.
does that work?
And then we're gonna fast forward it.
Okay, so we'll fast forward. This is it. This is our finished product. And basically the way it works is you show the Pikmin, his little head, they turn it
That's
to
his leaf, and then it's right there. Then when you open it up, he pops out of the ground.
Perfect. High five, right? And that has been Altizer Art. Hope you didn't mind the crying baby at the beginning. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.